So here it is. I figured out the low cap stocks, y'all. I got the cheat code. Look, if you ever got in a low cap stock and it either dropped or flatlined on you and you thought it was about to go to the moon and it didn't, well, here it is. I see something that happens every time before they go up, and I'm gonna show it to you. Stay tuned. All right, so let's get into it, y'all. We're looking at Buru, B-U-R-U. And this is live right now that it is going aftermarket. It is going crazy. I mean, this stock has really took off. And let's see right here. Now, this stock has really took off, y'all. It already touched the high right here, 06394. Now, I've been screaming out this stock in my Discord. So if you joined in there, you would have seen it. Like, look at it where it was at. It was down here to 0.2. It took off. This is today. And then it trended up aftermarket. Now let's look at the little things right here, and let's, oops, I don't want to move the chart out the screen. So, all right, let's stretch it back and let's see kind of what it's been doing. Those purple lines, I know it kind of looks a little crazy, but those are my lines of support and resistance because like I said, I've been trading this stock. So let's look at it at a year. So every year I notice with some of these low caps, they have their pops. And they go down, and then they have their pops, and they go down, and then this one had their pop. So it has a repeat cycle. So one trick that you need to do, y'all, is look at the stretch it out, kind of see how this stock moves around certain months and certain years. That was one thing that I figured out. So now the next thing that I'm going to show you, y'all, and this is game changer right here. Now, when you get into, let's look at over the 10 days period. Now, the best time to catch these stocks I've been noticing has been pre-market, like before the morning bell. So you got to get in there early. You can see this action, this move, it happened around 4 a.m. to around 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. So if you catch these plays and to get in them early, that's where we get in. And then as you can see, it dipped down when the market was open, because this black dark is when the market is open. As you can see, it dipped down. And guess what happened, y'all? It bounced off that support and went up. So this is where I have been getting in my trades, y'all. And I've been very, very profitable. Now look at that. It is going nuts. I might have to get off of this video because I'm actually in a trade. So it is crazy. But I'm going to hold because I know this thing. I've been watching it and I'm just patiently waiting. But you can catch these stocks. Two things that we look for: volume. We look for volume and look for a catalyst, like news. Something is going on. With stocks like this, they tend to run. You can always check your news right here. It'll tell you exactly what's going on in the time. I'm in Thinkorswim, but any type of place where you can get your news, I highly recommend that you get it. But this stock has been running crazy. I'm going to stretch it back out. And this is, let's go to the 1 minute, y'all. Bam. There it goes. Now, it already made a high and it kind of pulled back down. Now, when it pulls back down, just draw a line right here. Make a support line. You see that line? That's my support. So now I know if it goes back down here, that may be another buy-in. So what I've been doing, I've been buying these on the dips. When they go dips like this, buy in. And then up here, look, that's a sell. You could have easily sold right there as it's dipping. Now let's look at 5 minute, kind of see what it's been doing on the 5 minute. Now on the 5 minute, you'll see some bigger candles. So this is a great candle to look for. Hey, for an entry, like this thing is going up. And then look at it, another powerful one. So these are big candles that we look for when we trade in these stocks, y'all. Now, what I've been noticing also with these low cap stocks, they may die down, during when the market is open, because of course everybody's somewhere else or everybody's doing options. So they kind of die down and consolidate, but then they ramp back up after market, when they get more volume and attention is to it. Also keep your eye on the RSI. If it gets a little bit in the red, I tend to maybe know that it's going to pull back. So as you can see that how's it doing? And that's exactly what it's doing. So this stock has been amazing. Y'all, I've been trading all week. I first called into my Discord. So if you've seen it here, maybe I could show you. So I first called the stock in my Discord. This is where I call these. I'm up. So if you're not a part of my Discord or you're not in the gold and getting these alerts, then I highly recommend that you jump in. I got a link down there that you could just sign up real easy and we could get going. You could catch these plays because I'm in it and I'm very happy. Now, if you learned anything new and you like this video, make sure you like it because I'll make some more. If you like this type of stuff, I'll make some more. I got tons of these stocks that I'm up early in the morning and I'm getting into. So make sure you hit that like button and subscribe so you don't want to miss the next video. And just like I said, you could trade with me in the morning. I'll put the link down there. Let's tap in, let's lock in, and let's cash out. That's what I like. I'll see you in the next video.